And here they come.
The following is a triple threat tag team match. On the way to the ring at a combined weight of 461 pounds, the Disciples of the Apocalypse.
The moment this match was announced, the WWE Universe has expected a classic. I think it is destined to deliver.
And at a combined weight of 357 pounds, Kid Wilson and Elton Prince, pretty deadly.
The WWE Universe has been counting the days, hours, and minutes for this match to start, and the countdown is almost over.
And at a combined weight of 380 pounds, Tyler Bate and Butch, British Strong Style.
The tension building for this match is so thick you can cut it with a knife. A lot of drama involved with this one. Tornado tag with multiple teams facing off. Things are going to get frantic fast.
Whatever team comes out of this with their hand raised is going to make a strong case for being the best in WWE.
And he got a near fall out of it. Not going to allow things to end this early. Oh, he fights Bate back. Cover here. And look at this down. Bad intentions coming with this hold.
Still too fresh to stay down.
Oh, body. And he breaks the submission.
Trouble here. Can he get it fully locked in? Running Swanton finds the mark.
It's locked in. And he got in there. I thought that was it.
Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. That might have snapped a finger.
And look at this now. Yes, applying the submission hold.
I think he's got it locked in good. I just don't know how to counter this thing. Knee lift after knee lift.
And the face.
And that was an efficient display of offense with that maneuver. Clearly hoping something nefarious is beneath the ring.
Clearly thinking a steel chair is what's needed right about now.
Yeah, well-executed move we just saw there.
Well, that is a sign that definitely gets the point across.
Catching a drop kick. And focusing on the crowd now shows us just what Butch thinks of his opponent. Cover, cover.
What is the superstar going to do now?
He's nowhere near it.
No. Team it in to save the man.
Not over yet.
Oh, my God.
Front face lock applied.
Ooh, burying knees to the midsection.
And talk about an impressive combination, guys.
Down he goes.
Here he goes for the win. That could have been it right there. Boom! Flying forearm.
Punch right in the head.
Oh, yeah. Let's just all take a moment to truly appreciate and embrace his presence.
Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless. Enough already. He's feeling the effects of that last hit. Sharp punch.
Looks like Wilson got busted up on that one.
High angle belly and back suplex. A neck breaker. Looking for the victory. And they're still in this.
Oh, no. A sledgehammer. Better call paramedics right now.
Low drop. Ooh, what a damaging blow. And Butch fending him off.
Prince with a plan in mind.
And he's able to counter. Does he have him here? Forces the shoulder up after two.
He just won't give up.
Vicious right forward. To the back of the neck. But what a clothesline. And finds a counter. Oh, right to the silent face. Oh, clothesline.
Tremendous pressure being applied in this head crank.
Just cranking the head.
Set him up.
Russian leg sweep.
Good night.
Oh, that hurt right in the kidney. Golly.
Forearm to the jaw. Oh, and a right hand for good measure.
Stop in the leg.
A jumping stop to the gut.
Stiff kick. Kick to the gut. Here's the setup.
And that toss sent them soaring.
Roaring European uppercut. Picture perfect drop kick.
Tyler Bate with a standing shooting star.
Ooh. Oh, man, you can see he is feeling it now. Uh-oh. No. Oh, my God. From the apron.
Oh, that'll keep Butch at bay. Set him up.
Russian leg sweep.
Flat out power into the scoop slam. And Butch fending him off. Suplex. He's looking a little weary now. Jumping. Suplex. Whip back into the ring.
Boom. Kick to the gut.
Bate with a kick to the gut. Double under.
Oh, man. Will Tyler make it pay off?
Two.
Down right on the neck.
And the cover for the win. Kick out. Kick out. He kicked out.
Don't turn out the lights just yet.
Butch clutching the wrist. Just punishing his opponent. Kicks, knees, oh, a little joint manipulation. Ooh.
And knees to the back.
He can end it here. You got him.
Nicely done, snap suplex, so quick.
I've got to say, the amount of punishment we've scene of the match.
Shoulders down.
How can that be fair? Come on, Rich. He may get the 3 count right here.
I don't think so.
It's cinched in, and he breaks the hold. Cover. He kicks out at 2. What a match. Twist of fate. Is it enough? The cover. Oh, my God, he's still in the match. He got the shoulder up right at the last moment. What energy in this arena tonight. Oh, no, he can be caught here. Bad spot for him. Lighten up the chest, and now... And he breaks the hold. Big impact. Looking worse for wear in the corner now. Over the back of the neck. What a lariat. Just punched him right in the middle. Relentless. Right in the face. My God. Hits him with the counter. Boom. Look at this. Oh, nice. Producing a trample it. This could do it. 3, no.
How have we not claimed a winner yet?
You gotta believe they're not wanting to feel the agony of defeat as well as this never surrender attitude. Hold on a second. Could be a matter of time. Submission being locked in. Good timing with that reversal. I'm not quite sure. And he saves his partner there. Man, that one was in tight.
Soaring European uppercut.
Now step up in Gary. Oh, what a smash. That is just insulting. And it just hammering away with the rights. Now this is just a ruthless attack. Such aggression.
Uh-oh, this is not going to end well. Nice suplex.
You can see as he rises how vulnerable of a position he's in.
DDT.
And Kid suffers even more damage now.
But Wilson's had spurts of looking good in this match. Can he find an...
We've arrived. It's about time.
Let's get put away here.
Looking for the victory. Oh, and a kick out.
Every kick out taking so much energy to muster. Oh, man.
And Kid suffers even more damage now.
But Wilson's had spurts of looking good in this match. Can he find another one? Clothesline. My goodness, is this even legal?
I don't think so. My God, enough!
Listen to this place. Does he get it here? And he breaks up the count.
He moved, but can he capitalize?
Can you believe this? I love it.
Slam! What impact!
And he gets delivered back into the ring. I don't like the look in his eye here, folks. Oh, cheap shot right above the eye.
Will Tyler make it pay off?
Cover. It's over. I thought it was over.
Reed, this is chaotic. Catches him with a jawbreaker.
Armringer applied. Oh, my goodness. That might have snapped a finger. Oh, man. They unprepared here. This could do it.
What in the world is he thinking?
Does he not want to win?
Oh, man, he brought the kendo stick. Everyone needs to watch out now. Oh, my, jumping DDT.
Absolutely planted.
Butch looking for
The bitter end. Butch has all but ended this.
oh, vicious Russian leg sweep.
Right into the barricade. Kick to the midsection. Twist of fate.
Opportunity is his for the taking. You gotta be loopy after that.
That's gotta be it. And the count's broken, keeping the match alive. It's not over yet. Maybe the kick to the gut, double under. Tyler driver 97.
Will Bate destiny. Big boom. Vicious. Elton ending this fight right there.
Nothing fancy here. Backbreaker and backbreaker.
Systematic attack on that arm.
Gets him in position.
This is not going to end well for him, Michael.
Headlock. Oh, cheap shot right above the eye. And well-timed maneuver there. Bate with a kick to the gut. Double underhook. Here he goes for the win. No, he kicks out.
He just kicked out by a fraction of a second.
He got him. Is he going to let this in? Can you imagine what it would do to his confidence if he tapped out right here, right now?
It might be this. Ah, this should have been over, but he breaks the hold.
Quickly slips behind.
And that was a well-executed attack. And he's pulled the ring apron up, looking under there for something.
Sequence of reversals there. Closed fist punch to the jaw. That's one way to break up a move.
Kick to the gut. Here's the setup.
Goes under the ropes to get back inside.
Kick to the gut. Twist of fate.
Oh, no. Now possibly setting up for a submission maneuver. Guillotine. It's in deep. An extreme amount of pressure. He breaks the hold.
Down a perfect vertical suplex. He is revving up the engine. He's not going to let anything stop him. Clothesline.
Up with their head.
Appreciate him while you can, folks. He's not getting paid by the hour.
Vicious, downright savage club right there.
Kick. Uh-oh. And that stops what Butch had intended. Just hammering away to the rights.
Far off with an elbow.
And now the blood is starting to flow from the face of Butch.
High risk here.
And what more we can see in this match from the top.
High risk. Lord.
Oh my God, into a powerbomb.
We've already seen a few shots delivered up in that region.
Nice neck breaker. Oh, looking to tee off with that kendo stick. Best to get out of his way.
And a suplex. And a reversal by Tyler Bate.
Northern right suplex.
Russian leg sweep.
And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
Here it comes. Hooked up. And sidewinder suplex.
Looking to end this thing.
A penny predicament, but it really doesn't matter. Boston Crab. The legendary Boston Crab.
This won't win the match, but it's doing a lot of damage in the process. Trying to free himself, trips the ankle, and he's out. And kicks off his opponent.
Oh, man. We're going to finish it off.
Swanton bomb. One of the best to ever do that move.
He thinks he has it. An exhausting victory, but a win nonetheless. Now's a good time to look at some of the highlights from that last matchup.
Here are your winners, the Disciples of the Apocalypse.
Making their case for one of the best teams around with that win.
You put in the work and good things happen. That's a performance that everybody should hope to emulate.